Okay guys, so it is a different day. Sorry, this lighting is atrocious. Come on. So yeah, it is a different day from when I filmed what you're gonna see. So obviously it's a transformation of my sister's eyebrows. Like, they were bushwhacker. Like, I made her grow them out so I could show you guys a transformation of her eyebrows and what the products that I use for tinting, henna tinting my brows. So if you want to see a video, sorry, I'm just very excited. If you want to see a video on how to transform your eyebrows from looking a bit bushwhacker, not much shape, and just not dark enough. I love it when brows are really, really dark. So if you want to see that, then carry on watching this video. I'm going to do a little talk over and show you how to do that, guys. I would highly recommend this product, but I cannot find it for love on earth. Is it love on earth? I don't know how you say it, but I cannot find it anywhere on Amazon. I'm really sad about it because I've only got a small bit of my product left. But I would recommend the EYELURE products, the tinting products, and there's a few other products I would probably recommend that I will pop in the description down below, in the description box down below, for you guys to use. Most of the products that I buy for like my eyebrows I buy on like Amazon. You can buy some of the products from other shops, but it's just cheap on Amazon, I guess, isn't it? So this product is called the Revers product. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just, so there's different parts of this. Can you see it? This is the product I'm using. It comes with two little things. So it comes with two little parts. So you've got the cream henna for the eyebrows, and then you've got the activator. So this is the activator, and then this is the cream like product. I also use these little strips of just like wax. I get it from Poundland. I think you can get them on Amazon. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Enjoy the transformation, and don't forget to like it if you enjoyed it. See you in a bit, guys. Enjoy. So first of all, we've got two parts to the dye. We've got the actual activator and you've got the dye itself. So first of all, I'm going to put the dye inside the little pot. I'm going to put about a pea size in there, depending on how big your brows are, depending on how much mixture you'll need. There's no particular like size how much you should put in, but make sure you put the same amount of the activator with the other product inside the little pot, just so you got an equal amount. Then in a minute I'm going to just mix it all up and, you know, mix it together. Mix it all together and you know you've got the best of both worlds. There we go, I'm mixing it. Sorry, I'm just losing it, but I'm a bit crazy and a bit excited about this right now. But yeah, here we go. Let's go to the next bit. Once you've mixed it together, we are going to start applying that to the brows. So once you've mixed your dye all together, you want to use the application stick and start applying it onto the brows. You can use this application stick to kind of shape the brows any way you want, really. If you've got more sort of oval brows, or they're more square, or you like them a bit thinner or thicker, whatever that is, you can shape them to what you like with this application stick and with the eyebrow dye. So once you've put on the henna or the tint that you have, I kind of like to thicken it up with extra dye. I know obviously it's probably not how you should always do it. I feel like the more dye you put on, the more like darker the brows are going to be and stay, but I don't think that's how it works, but that's the way I like to do it. Just enough dye that it covers all the brow and all the little areas that you want dyed. Obviously the left one is completed. I've dyed that one. I've just got to wipe it off. I'm now going onto the right brow and I'm going to do the exact same. Obviously brows are not supposed to be identical. They're supposed to be called like sisters or something. They're never going to look identical and exactly the same. As long as you kind of got them, you know, near enough the same, that's fine. So I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I like to sometimes use a cotton bud to just give them that extra little je ne sais quoi. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get myself some cotton pads, preferably reusable ones. This time I didn't because I didn't have any, but in the future, and normally I would, just because it's better for the environment. And with those wet cotton pads, I will wipe over the brows after 25 minutes of leaving the tint on, or the henna on. This is the henna version, but you can also get a tint version, and I'll make sure I pop a little link down below for any other tints that I would recommend or suggest trying. And obviously take off the tint and just keep wiping over it until the cotton pads appear to be clear white. You want to make sure you get all that done off. You don't want to have any sort of leftover sort of dye on there. And there we go. Look how fab they look. They absolutely look on fleek. Like, I'm impressed, I'm just saying. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some little wax strips. I tend to get these wax strips from Poundland. Oh, sorry, there's a bit of a jolt there. But I tend to get these little wax strips from Poundland. You can get them other places, but they're £1 a pack and they're little miniature ones. Usually you can use them for your moustache as well, but I like to use them for my face, for my eyebrows, for Tor's eyebrows. They're just so easy. You can also cut them into shape as well, but that's a lot of faff and aggro I can't really be asked with, to be honest. But yeah, I will carefully sort of rub them on. You need to rub the little wax strips in your hands to warm them up, and then you obviously place them where you want the hair to be waxed. So here I'm just going to lift the eyebrow and I'm just going to pop the strip on and obviously rip that bad boy off. After I've used these little wax strips that are just incredible, I'm going to get myself a pair of tweezers. I don't know why I said pair, they're just some tweezers because there's not a pair of them clearly. I'm going to now just give a good pluck to those little strays that I cannot get with the strips, because obviously sometimes I find the strips don't always get those tiny little hidden ones, and you want to just pluck those bad boys out. And here I go, there I'm doing it. And I'm just going to check the other one to make sure I've got all the little strays as well. After tweezering those strays, I'm going to get myself a little pair of scissors and a little eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to brush those hairs upwards. There is a reason for this, and that is I'm going to trim those little strays so they're kind of a bit more neatened up, and I find they just look more like, just, you know, on fleek. I don't know if that's the word, but just more sculpted in a way, and they all just look so good. So there I go, and I'm just going to keep trimming those until they're all kind of level. They don't have to be perfect, but you know, near enough perfect. Here is the finished look, guys. I am pretty impressed with myself, if I do say so myself. I feel like brows just shape your whole entire face, and they look amazing when you know, get them on point. So if you want to try any of these products, I'll pop a list down below and of more products that I suggest or recommend, and just give your brows a bit of TLC and look after them. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you. I hope you enjoyed and you took some tips away from it. If you want any of the tints that I use or any of the products I use, it'll be in the description down below. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed as much as I did doing them. And if that tint isn't down in the description box or in Amazon anymore, which I don't think they sell it anymore, this like product, I will recommend some other ones down below that are just as good. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in another video hopefully. Bye.